In this segment, we are going to discuss about the India's heritage of science and technology. What is India's contribution in the field of science and technology? We are not talking about modern science and technology. We are talking about the ancient time. The discoveries and invention in the field of science and technology have brought countries of the world closer. Cooperation among all the nations has increased, hence new attitude has developed. Centuries have become oriented toward peaceful coexistence and world peace. So, new discoveries and innovations, inventions that brought world closer. So we understand the need of each other, and somehow now countries do know the importance of harmony and importance of coexistence. Peace, science means systematic knowledge. It cannot be any knowledge. Science means systematic knowledge. That means to understand first particular word, you need to know the meaning of it. And if there is another word, so if you are starting from basic and going through complex principles, so this is the method. So this is called systematic knowledge. And technology means practical utility of systematic knowledge. That means practical utility of science. For example, if we study the principle of motor, that is a science. But if somehow we know how to implement it in an instrument, how to run a motor with it, it is a technology. Science and technology, in spite of being two different words, they are linked to each other. Heritage of ancient India in the field of science and technology. The great sages of ancient India have gifted invaluable heritage of science to the world. They have made outstanding contribution in field of metallurgy, chemistry, science of medicine, surgery, mathematics, astronomy, astrology, vastusastra, and physics. These are the branches of science. It is a matter of great pride for us. India has contributed not only in the field of literature, art, religion, education, and philosophy, but it has made immense contribution in the field of science and technology. Modern age research have proved that India has scientific attitude along with religious outlook. So we somehow, it is only here in India that we have combined science with the religion. So nowadays, even more modern countries are also agreeing with our thoughts that it is a great combination of science with the religion. Metallurgy. Since ancient age, the people of India use metallurgy in their practical life. Ancient India made extraordinary progress in field of metallurgy. A metallic idol of female dancer discovered from Indus Valley civilization is an exemplary achievement of ancient India. Indus Valley civilization, for example, studying at that time, we also say that people were using metal at that time, certain type of ornament, and even this idol of a dancer was found into Indus Valley civilization. So it is a thing that at that time also people do know how to craft a metal. Later, statues of Buddha belonging to the Kushan period have been found at Takshashila. In South India during the Chola period, numerous metal idols were made. The statue of Nataraj, a masterpiece in Next is chemistry, which is called alchemical law. The chemistry is an experimental science. This science is very useful for various minerals, plants, seeds, for agriculture, making use of various metals or bring a change in them. It is also useful for making medicine. Acharya Nagarjuna, a learned Buddhist of Nalanda University, is known as Acharya in the field of chemistry. So Acharya was the highest degree at that particular time. So if a person gets the highest qualification in that field, then they are rewarded with this name Acharya. He had written books like Rashratnakar, Arogya Manjari. Acharya Nagarjuna advocated the use of allopathy with herbal medicine. It is believed that the use of mercury ash as a medicine was initiated by him. Nalanda University had its own school of chemistry and furnace for study and research. The description of main rasha, uparasha, 10 types of origins, as well as the various types of salt and ash of minerals is seen in the chemistry. The copper statue of Buddha reflects the expert knowledge and skill in the field of chemistry. The copper statue of Buddha discovered from Sultanganj in Bhadrapur district of Bihar is 7.5 feet tall, high and weighs a ton. The statue of Buddha at Nalanda is 18 feet high. The explicit example of Vijayastambha, the 24 feet high iron pillar, which weighs 7 tons, built by Chandragupta II, in spite of nature's foray over century, pillar has not yet corroded. This is the best example of alchemical law of India. So it is about the chemical wisdom, the wisdom about the chemicals. Okay. So this is over here. It is iron pillar at Delhi. Okay. Also Vijayastambha and all. So these all are made from the metal or mixture of this metal in such a way that there is no corrosion in this particular metals. So till the time there is no corrosion. So that is a really a big thing. Next is science of medicine and surgery. The India attains an unprecedented achievement in the field of medicine and surgery. Since ancient period, Maharshi Sushruta and Vagbhata pioneered the Indian medicine, science and surgery through their intense research and reached to the greatest height. These three have a very huge contribution in the field of medicine and surgery. At that time, they do know the art of surgery, and also they have very skilled equipment, and they have studied તમે જોઈ જ શકો છો, રીડ કરી શકો છો. So that time they were not only concerned with the operation and all, they also give dietary what kind of diet should be followed after that. Nowadays તમે કોઈને કહેતા સાંભળ્યું હશે કે ડાયાબિટીસ છે તો આ ખવાય પેલું ન ખવાય. So that kind of wisdom was also there at that particular time. Even Vagbhat has also worked on how man should live a life so that there is no disease in his body, because whatever disease arises is from within the body. So if person obeys certain kind of lifestyle, then these kind of things, disease may not appear. And just to see the symptoms and detect what kind of disease it could be. So that kind of immense knowledge was there with these three. They had knowledge of plastic surgery as well as joining nose and ear. They showed a keen interest in teaching students the method of surgery by doing surgery on dead body or on wax statue. They conducted risky operation during delivery. They were obviously mother na womb mathi child jare baar aave, so which is called a delivery. They were expert gynecologists and pediatrician. Gynecologist that means mother na womb ni andar jare kid hoy ત્યારે any dietary supplements any requirement hoy, in what proportion. So these kind of things till the birth is done by the gynecologist, and after birth up to 6 to 7 years there is a pediatrician who is called doctor for the children's. Veterinary science has developed in ancient India. They look on the disease related to horse, elephant, among them Hasti Ayurveda, Shalihotra and Ashwasastra are well known. The scholars or science writers of medicine, Vagbhata made valuable contribution through his Hastam Hridaya in the field of diagnosis. Till the time, if you ever get time or ever get the translation of Hastam Hridaya, it is a very precise book for diagnosis. Which kind of disease could be done with what I have heard is that if you have this black lentil, okay, black gram lentil pulses along with the curd, so it increases your blood pressure. So this kind of wisdom was there at that time with the Vagbhat